Ever wondered how the roads you drive on every day are made? You know, the ones that get you to work, to your buddy's house, or even just to your driveway without bottoming out your suspension. It's a process most of us take for granted. But let me tell you, it's a whole lot more complicated than just pouring some asphalt on the ground. Today, we're breaking down the entire process from start to finish. And trust me, it's a dirty job. We're talking heavy machinery, sweat, and the kind of engineering that would make your head spin. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the world of road construction. Before a single speck of dirt is moved, you gotta have a plan, and not just any plan, but a meticulously detailed blueprint that accounts for every possible variable. And I ain't talking about some scribbles on a napkin, we're talking about comprehensive designs that leave no stone unturned. Road design is serious business, folks. It's a blend of art and science requiring precision and foresight. It all starts with a team of engineers, and these guys and gals are the unsung heroes of the road. They bring their expertise and dedication to every project. First, they head out to the site armed with high-tech gear like GPS and drones. These tools help them gather accurate data. You heard that right, drones. These flying marvels provide a bird's eye view, capturing every detail from above. They're mapping out the terrain, getting a feel for the lay of the land. This helps in understanding the natural contours and features of the site. But it's not just about what's on top. They got to know what's underneath. The ground's composition can make or break a project. Soil testing is next, and it's crucial. They analyze the soil to ensure it can support the weight and stress of a busy road. You've got to make sure that ground can handle the weight of tons of cars and trucks day in and day out. It's a matter of safety and longevity. They're looking for things like stability and drainage. Proper drainage is essential to prevent water damage and erosion. Now the engineers take all that data, the surveys, the soil tests, traffic patterns, everything, and they start drawing up the blueprints. This is where their expertise truly shines. This ain't your grandpappy's drafting table either. We're in the digital age, and technology plays a huge role. We're talking sophisticated computer models, folks. These digital tools allow for precision and efficiency like never before. They're factoring in everything from the expected traffic load to the climate and the terrain. Every detail is considered to ensure the road's durability and functionality. This is where the magic happens, where those straight lines on a map become the roads we rely on. It's a transformation from concept to reality. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of these engineers, and it all happens before the first shovel even hits the dirt. Their work lays the foundation for smooth travels ahead. All right, so we got our plans. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. This is where the magic begins, transforming blueprints into reality. This is where the real demolition begins. Out with the old to make way for the new. It's a necessary step to ensure a fresh start. First things first, got to clear the way. Trees, rocks, even old pavement. If we're talking about resurfacing, it all has to go. Clearing the site is crucial for a smooth construction process. This is where the big boys come out to play. Bulldozers, excavators, you name it. These powerful machines are essential for handling the heavy lifting. These machines are like something out of a monster truck rally, and they're here to move some serious earth. Their sheer power and efficiency are awe-inspiring. Once the site is clear, it's time to level the ground. This step ensures a stable base for the road. We're talking about creating a solid foundation, and that means getting rid of any bumps, dips, or surprises Mother Nature might have left behind. A level ground is key to a durable road. Excavators dig down to the required depth, following those blueprints like a map to buried treasure. Precision is crucial at this stage, but it ain't just about moving dirt. It's about shaping the land to fit the design. Remember those engineers and their fancy drainage plans? Well, now's the time to put those into action. Proper drainage is essential to prevent future issues. Culverts, ditches, retention ponds, these guys are making sure that water doesn't pool up and cause problems down the road. Literally. Effective drainage systems are a cornerstone of road longevity. This stage is all about brute force and precision. Every move counts. It's loud, it's dusty, and it's the essential first step in building a road that's gonna last. The foundation laid here will support everything that comes next. You might think that once the clearing's done, it's all about piling on the layers, but hold your horses, folks. We're not there yet. See, that ground beneath all the action, that's called the subgrade, and it's the unsung hero of the whole operation. If the subgrade ain't right, the whole road's gonna fall apart. So how do we make sure it's up to snuff? Compaction, baby. We're talking about using heavy rollers to squeeze out any air pockets and create a rock-solid base. Think of it like packing a suitcase. You want it tight so nothing shifts around. Now, depending on the soil, sometimes we need to give it a little boost. That's where things like sand, gravel, or crushed rock come in. These materials add stability and help with drainage. It's all about creating a foundation that can handle whatever Mother Nature or those heavy trucks throw its way. This stage might not be the most glamorous, but it's absolutely critical. It's the difference between a road that lasts and one that crumbles under pressure. All right, the subgrade's prepped and ready to go. Now it's time to start building up the layers that'll actually support the road surface. First up, the subbase. This layer is usually made of gravel or crushed stone, and it's spread over the compacted subgrade. Think of it like the shock absorbers of the road, helping to distribute the weight of vehicles evenly. Again, compaction is key here. We want that subbase locked in tight. Next comes the big kahuna, the base layer. This is the heavy hitter, the muscle behind the operation. It's usually made of a mix of aggregates, that's crushed stone, gravel, and sand and asphalt. This layer provides the strength and durability the road needs to handle all that traffic. It's carefully graded and compacted to create a smooth, even surface. These layers might be hidden beneath the surface, but they're the backbone of a good road. They're what prevent potholes, cracks, and those bone-jarring bumps that make you spill your coffee. This is it, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for, laying down the pavement. It's a critical step in road construction, where all the planning and preparation come together to create a smooth, durable surface for vehicles to travel on. Now, there are two main types of pavement asphalt and concrete. Each has its own set of advantages and is chosen based on specific needs and conditions. The choice depends on the type of road and the traffic it's going to see. For instance, a busy highway with heavy truck traffic might require a different approach than a quiet residential street. Asphalt's the most common, and it's what you'll find on most roads. It's favoured for its flexibility and ease of maintenance. It's made by mixing hot asphalt cement with aggregates. This combination creates a material that's both strong and adaptable. First, a binder layer is laid down. This layer acts as a foundation, providing stability and support for the layers above. This layer is tough, durable, and provides a good grip for the top layer. It's essential for ensuring the longevity of the pavement. Then comes the top layer, which is smoother and gives you that nice, even driving surface. This is the layer that drivers interact with, so it needs to be perfect. Asphalt's great because it's flexible, so it can handle a little bit of movement in the ground. This flexibility helps prevent cracks and other damage. Concrete, on the other hand, is the workhorse of the pavement world. It's incredibly strong and durable, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. It's used for highways and roads that see a lot of heavy truck traffic. These roads need to withstand significant wear and tear, and concrete is up to the task. Concrete's made by pouring a mix of cement, water, and aggregates into forms. This mixture hardens into a solid, rock-like material. Once it's cured, it's strong enough to withstand just about anything. From heavy trucks to extreme weather conditions, concrete can handle it all. Joints are cut into the concrete to allow for expansion and contraction, preventing those nasty cracks. These joints are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the pavement. No matter which type of pavement is used, it's carefully laid down and compacted to create a smooth, even surface. This process ensures that the road is safe and comfortable to drive on. This is where those skilled operators really shine, using their machines with surgical precision. Their expertise ensures that every inch of the road is perfectly constructed, providing a reliable surface for years to come. The pavement's down, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to turn this stretch of asphalt into a real road. First up, the road markings. We're talking about those yellow and white lines that keep us all driving in the right direction. Specialized trucks lay down the paint with amazing accuracy, creating those crisp, clear lines. But it's not just about the lines. Crosswalks, stop bars, arrows. These markings are essential for traffic flow and safety. And let's not forget about the signs. Speed limits, warnings, street names, they all have to be installed correctly. Next comes the finishing touches, the stuff that makes a road more than just a road. Guardrails are installed to prevent accidents. Sidewalks give pedestrians a safe place to walk, and streetlights illuminate the way at night. Landscaping might even be added to beautify the area. Finally, before any cars can drive on it, the road undergoes rigorous quality tests. Engineers check the pavement, the markings, the signs, everything to make sure it meets the highest standards. And there you have it. The next time you drive on a smooth, well-constructed road, you'll know exactly what went into making it. It's a complex process from the initial planning stages to the final inspection. But it's a testament to the hard work, skill and dedication of the men and women who build our roads. So next time you see a road crew out there, give them a wave. They're the unsung heroes of our transportation system, and they deserve a big thank you for keeping us all moving. Thanks for watching.